Hi everyone, so I am revising my data structures and algorithms. So total I have 200 DSA lecture notes to revise. So I covered all these in 6 to 8 months. I completely covered the DSA course, and so now this is the month of March, and my main plan is that instead of focusing heavily, so I try to like at least one new DSA topic every day I watch, and on holidays 2 DSA lectures I will revise it. Basically new lectures I'm talking about, and old lectures like 4 to 5 I will. So these are the notes that I have revised till now. Like you can see, it's total 106 lectures I have revised. So out of 200 DSA notes, 106 DSA notes I have already revised. Okay, so total how many there? 106 notes I have revised. So like this DSA is little bit tougher. Like so for that, exploring the new topics now. So at present I am on the tree data structure and all. I'm just revising it. Basically randomly I'm revising so that I didn't get bored. So the plan is very simple. Like every day just try to revise one new DSA notes, and when you have holiday or weekends just try to revise maximum 2 DSA notes. That is for maintaining the consistency, because if I am doing on one day 10 lectures, then there will be some days I will be doing 0 lectures. So it's better to go on minimum. And so out of here the 106 lectures I have revised, and out of 200, 94 lectures are left. So from 1st March to 31st May, 92 days are there. So let's see how I'm going to complete it. So there will be a less stress and more focused way I'll be able to revise. Okay, so these are the already I've separated the DSA into different folders. So stack was having 7 nodes, queue is having 6 or 5 nodes. 5 nodes are there. Tree data structure along with the binary search tree, AVL tree, and the heap and sliding windows, it has almost 31 nodes. So today is 3rd March, so today's plan is very simple. Okay, so today I'm going to revise 2 AVL 3 lectures. Okay, I will complete the AVL 3 lectures, just 2 are there. So basic insertion, deletion, and searching concepts we will be learning it. Like in the binary search tree it takes order of n, but in the AVL tree it will take order of log n, because it is a self balanced binary search tree. Okay, so and after that I will revise the 5 old DSA topic, 5 old DSA notes, because which I have already revised multiple times, that I will revise it, and try to solve 3 Codeforces problem. Okay, so this is the plan for today. So minimum effort but in a disciplined way with consistency. On lead code already solved 1040 plus DSA problems is already done, and at present even on LinkedIn I have hit 11,000 plus followers. So this is my Codeforces. Like I have left it for the last 3 to 4 months. I'm not practicing problems there. So now I'm going to practice problems on Codeforces also. So almost 250 to 300 problems I have solved on Codeforces. So now let's continue grind on Codeforces also. So basically I'll start with 1000 rating problems, and we'll continue on this also. So today's target is just try to solve 3 Codeforces problem, and let's grind hard in that also. So yeah, CP is also important. So if you are practicing problems on Codeforces, it will help you in logic building. So that's the simple thing I'm going to do. So just from today 3 problems I'm going to do on this Codeforces. And already I told you, like lead code 1000 plus DSA problems I have solved. So on lead code my target is very minimum, like daily solve the problem of the day, POTD, and get 10 to 11 coins, and along with that try to attend all the contest on lead code, like every Saturday, Sunday, whatever contests are coming, try to attend it. Okay, so this is my Codeforces, and so I'm going to grind hard on this also. And this is my lead code. So you can see like total 1041 problems I have completed, out of which 415 are easy, and 532 something medium level, and 94 are hard. 13 badges, and these are my consistency graph. You can see like I started 1.5 years ago, and you can see this last 1 year I have been grinding very hard. So make sure to